Hi guys, today I prepared GRE 22nd quantitative question, and the theme is the same as before, data interpretation, and it could be the final data interpretation with the same table. So here's the data and the new question, then pause the video and solve the question by yourself. It's going to take longer time than previous questions, then please carefully use your sheet of paper and pencil, please. Let's get it. Let's read a question together and underline important factors with color green. Based on the information given, which of the following states must be true? Indicate all such statements. All. So even though it's the interpretation of the data, it seems to be like the multiple choice question. So it could be tricky. Choice A, for 2018, the dollar amount of sales at store R was greater than that at each of the other 4 stores. B, the dollar amount of sales at store S for 2018 was 22% less than that for 2016. The dollar amount of sales at store R for 2018 was more than 2017% greater than that for 2016. So choice A, B, C, they are asking a lot. So why don't we write down like this way? And then let's try to figure out the number, compare the number. All of the R, S, T, all of the, the index of 2016 could be written as 1. And then we can compare the amount of number from the table. That was an increase of 10, so 1.1a. And we already, and then 1.1 minus, let's remove 8, 1.1 multiplied by 11, 10. In that case, it was 0.99. So 0.99. Then let's move on Q. So minus 20%, in that case 0.8. And then this part was 0.8 plus 0.8 multiplied by 9%. So in that case, it could be 1.52. 1.52. Then let's move on R. In that case, R of 2017 could be 1.05 because 5% was raised. And then 12% raised again. So we can write down like this way, 1.05 plus 1.05 multiplied by 12%. In that case, I'm going to skip the calculation. So in that case, 1.176. It was 1.52. Let's move on S. In that case, minus 7% decrease. In that case, 0.93 as a number, not as a percent. In that case, let's move on here. 0.93 minus 0.93 multiplied by 15%. In that case, the index or the number is 0.7905. What about this one? About T, it could be 1.17 because 70% was raised. And then about 2018, in 2018 about T, 1.17 plus, minus 1.17 multiplied by like 8%. In that case, 1.0764. So we found all of the number in every year and then every rows. So let's move on to choice A. For 2018, the dollar amount of sales at store R was greater than that at each of the other 4 stores. Let's move on 2018 here, and then let's compare this one, and then this one. So in that case, R, the row R has the largest number. So probably A seems to be correct. Is it correct? Yes. But it's incorrect answer because, P, Q, R, S, T. Each row shows just, the percent change from 2016 to 17 and then 17 to 18. So we cannot compare like the specific store with the other 4 stores. Doesn't make sense. So A could be tricky. However, we cannot compare. So A should be incorrect. Let's move on to choice B. The dollar amount of sales at store S with blue S for 2018 was 23% less than that for 2016. So in that case, we can compare 2016 and 2018. So we can just compare 1 minus 0.7905. In that case, that is 0.2095. And then if we change it as a percent, it's 20.95%. So we can compare 22% and 20.95%. Is that correct? Yes, right. So, was it, the store S for 2018 was 22% less than that for 2016 or 20.95%? I'm sorry about that. It was a little bit confusing. So, it's not 22% less than that for 2016%. So choice B also incorrect. Incorrect answer. A little bit messy. I'm sorry, guys. The last one, because we need this table, guys. The dollar amount of sales at store R, they are asking again about R for 2018 2018 was more than 17% greater than that for 2016. In that case, we can compare like a 1.176 minus 1. In that case, 0.176. If we change it as a percent, 17.6%. And then it is larger than 17%. Is it correct? Yes, right. And let's read the choice again, not to make the mistake. The dollar amount of sales at store R here, R, and then 2018, this part, which means the index or the number 1.176 was more than 17% greater than that for 2016. So literally 2016 the number is 1, however 2018 number is 1.176, and we compare and it was 17.6 point. So, and it's larger than 17%. Is it correct? Yes. So the correct answer should be only C, even though it's multiple choice. And it could be tricky, guys, especially choice A. However, we have to think about it slowly. In that case, we could figure out that each row can compare just every single year's profit instead of compare the profit among other stores. Doesn't make sense. In that case, we can understand choice A, why the choice A is not correct. Does it make sense? Yes. So the answer is C. So guys, today's question was related to data interpretation. However, for 3 days, guys, we use the same data, but we use it with a different analysis. So guys, if you have some enough time, please review my class from 20 to 21 at once again, please, because they are using the same data, but they are asking the different questions. So it's going to be really beneficial for you guys. And please click the subscription and like button and alarm button as well, because when I make the next, the video, it's going to be really incredible motivation for me. And should you have any further questions, guys, do not hesitate and let me know anytime. Then I'm going to answer you really kindly. And that's it. So see you next time with a different question and different types. And have a wonderful day. Thank you, guys.